Namaste, most welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Durga Gaha, and today I'm going to show you how to start a Zoom class through this Veda Guru Teachers app, as well as how to join as being a student of Pinnacle Scholars Academy through this Pinnacle Scholars Academy's app. Okay, for teachers, you are supposed to have this Veda Guru Teachers app and username and password, and for students, you need to have this Pinnacle Scholars Academy app for Android users and Veda Students app for iPhone users. Okay, first of all, for teachers, they have to start the online class. That's why they have to open this Veda Guru Teachers app. It will take few seconds and it will get ready. Okay, click on this online class for it. Okay, click on this online class and you need to fill username and password. And if you don't have this username and password, you can go to that www.zoom.us and you can sign up free, and there you can create your username and password. Okay, for class, you can click on this add class, and if you click on this add class, then you need to select the class, which class you want to start. For teachers, for host mainly, click on this class and select the class of which class you want to start. Mainly I have of LKG right now. I have access of LKG, so I'm going to show from LKG. The meaning and the procedure is same for other classes also. Click on this section, so mainly click on this section A, because most of the students, all the students are integrated in this section A, and this English is the subject. Which subject you want to choose, click on this. So English, Nepali, mathematics, science, all the subjects are here. Whatever we are teaching till now, click on this your subject. Okay, for example, computer science, that I'm going to start it, though in LKS it is not, it is just a demo video. I think you have understood it. Okay, click on this add class, and okay, it's all about to, okay, it's all getting ready, and you can see over here allow auto admit students. If you click on this, so students will be automatically, they will be connected to Zoom once they click through the app. If you keep it off, then you have to admit it. Okay, now for now, so let's click on this start class. If everything is getting ready, start class, it will get connected. Okay, you can see over here, so it is getting connected. Okay, let's connect it fast. I'm gonna show my video for a longer time. I feel little hard. Okay, okay, microphone also let me mute for now. Show. Okay, now class is running. Now teachers has, for example, teacher has already started this class. So what students have to do? Okay, now I have to show. Now teacher is waiting. What students have to do? Now simply there will be notification. If not, click on this Pinnacle Skills Academy by that routine. We have already provided routine. By that time, you can click on this Pinnacle Skills Academy's app, and there will be saying one notification. Okay, you can see the notification over here. Okay, it is, the subject is, for example, computer science, and click join class. If that is not, you can click over here and you can click on this online class. If you click on this online class, you'll be getting this join class. Click on this join class. Okay, now it is preparing and it is getting ready. It may ask you to allow your microphone and camera. If you haven't done previously, you need to do allow. Okay, it is connecting. Okay, now, yeah, student they have to wait, and teachers they have to admit. So I'm going it because for now I'm being as a student as well as teacher, from both side I'm doing. So I have to go in this participant, and you can see Janice guy is waiting, so I have to do admit. If I click in this admit, that will be admitted. Okay, it is taking time, few seconds. It's a matter of few seconds only. Okay, let me check participants. Now you can see the host is Durga Gaha and the student is Janish Gaha. I'm doing in same mobile to show you, but this is how we do. And from as teachers, they can simply do the things. They can start their class from here. So this is how we can start, as well as we can join class from teachers app for teachers to start and students for students. Okay, so this is the thing that we do. Okay, so thank you very much. So hopefully I'll be bringing more tutorials regarding this Pinnacle app. If you are a student or a teacher of Pinnacle app, please feel free to have any questions regarding your app. Thank you very much. See you. Have a nice day.